Welcome to DIY Jeepers. Today we're doing an unboxing video of the Yorktown mechanic tool roll from Atlas46. Now it's time to start the unboxing. Came in this nice little plastic bag. That's the shipping information right there. And then this is the bag. Overall, nice quality, built very nicely. This bag, the other one is 16 inches long, while this one is 20. It's going to have 4 long rolls that have zippers, and it's going to have a flat pocket, which is a very good benefit for certain things that you're gonna store. Has a nice good strap when you close it up. And then when you pull this one right here, it's a little thin one. It does like the rolling up for you in a quick motion. But overall, this seems like it's gonna be a very well built product. Can't wait to fill it up. Everything zipped up nicely, opens up nicely. But now, like, one of the key features to this bag is the opposite side, which are going to be these pockets that are Velcroed. Wrenches, your pliers, and anything else you could want to fit in here. Overall, it's very well built. I can't wait to fill it up. Some of the key benefits of this bag that make it the price tag that it is, in my opinion, would be the made in America, and it is guaranteed for life, so a lifetime guarantee on it, and it's handcrafted in the USA. So I always appreciate made in America products because it's to me it's just a higher quality, and I support small businesses and keep everything in America. It has 11 mechanical wrench slot organizer, which is going to be on the back on these. And it is constructed of heavy duty 1000D Cordura material. That's straight off from the website. I'm kind of just reading it off. And it has YKK USA made zippers. So overall, it's going to be great to have. And I'll be filling it up soon. I'm showing y'all what it looks like filled up. Well, it's the next day, filled up with everything that I possibly have. I got the 4 compartments up here, and then I have the flat pocket as well with some stuff. And then I also have the rear end filled, and I'm gonna go over what I actually have in here, show you how well it does. So on the side right here, I have my adjustable crescent wrenches. I got the small, medium, large. Got my 2 ratchets, as well as some pliers, an adjustable channel lock, some needle nose, and some cutters. Always have some good cutters when you're on the trails. You never know what you're gonna run into. Now moving to this side, I have my wrenches, and this is going to be a standard wrench from 1/4 inch all the way to 13/16. So I think I'm pretty good there on what I need for the trails, and they're well organized. Moving back to the main pouch, In my first pouch, I have some gloves. Got 3 pairs of gloves for different types of things. I have something to change my tire and my wheel locks. So I'm pretty good there. I think this pouch, I'll probably do adjustments when time comes when I do different things. But as of right now, it fits my needs. Moving to the next pouch, I have my socket rails, 1/2 inch and 3/8. For my 3/8, I go from 10 through 16. And then for standard, I go through from a 1/4 inch all the way to 3/4. And I also have some 1/2 inch that go from 16 all the way to 22. And then some standard 1/2 inch would go from 13 all the way to 1 inch and 1/16. I do have some extensions. They're like wobble extensions and full extensions in here as well. So overall, it's holding everything nicely. Move over to the next one. Since I ran out of space on the back, I put all my other metric wrenches in this pouch, just so I have them here as well. So I have from 8 through 18 on this side, and then I have some stubbies as well. And I just keep it in the pouch because you never know what you're gonna need. Moving to the last one, I'm gonna have some Phillips and some flatheads. Got a knife as well as some Allens or hex keys, standard and metric as well. That's pretty much completes that, and then that's pretty much wraps it up. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to DIY Jeepers. Turn the bell notifications on. Thank y'all.